Algorand's EMA in a real sense shows an extremely descending pattern in a very enormous manner. As far as ALGO support floor, it basically is presently 29 cents, which by and large is genuinely huge. ALGO fall 7.08% in 7 days, which basically is very critical. Algorand generally is as of now esteemed at 16 cents the 8th of May 2023. In this video we will essentially walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and explicitly attempt to answer these habitually truly clarified some pressing issues. What explicitly is momentary cost expectation for Algorand? Generally is ALGO a by and large wise speculation, which really is very huge. Algorand support and obstruction levels and so forth, which in a real sense is very huge. However, prior to plunging especially profound into the ALGO specialized investigation, let us especially discuss the ongoing economic situations, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours. There certainly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital money market to $1,36850,397,543 in an unobtrusive manner. But for the most part absolute exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $47,516,158,315, showing how yet prior to jumping kind of profound into the ALGO specialized examination. By and large let us in a real sense discuss the for the most part current economic situations, which sort of is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 46.94% of the entry market while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16.33%. Which for the most part is genuinely critical, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,561.87 level after a decay of 4.43%, showing how which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,561.87 level after a downfall of 4.43% in a significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every way that really matters, has seen a value diminishing of 3.71% coming to $1,841.73 during the past 24 hours, or so they in a real sense thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $313.13. Following a value change of 3.17% within a similar time period. Pretty further appearance how the especially complete exchanging volume generally remains at $47,516,158,315, showing how yet prior to jumping profound into the ALGO specialized examination, for the most part allowed us explicitly to discuss the genuinely current economic situations in a very significant manner. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP for the most part is somewhere around 6.93 and at present exchanging at 42 cents, which certainly is genuinely huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing how yet prior to jumping profound into the ALGO specialized examination. Generally let us fundamentally discuss the genuinely current economic situations, which most certainly is genuinely huge. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market basically is going in an extremely descending course for in every practical sense. Present moment, showing how Algorand's EMA generally shows a descending pattern incredibly. Right now, a fundamentally broad sort of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing that market examination over the by and large last 24 hours. There for the most part was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the whole digital money market to $1,136,850,397,543, or so they truly thought. Algorand backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized pointers used to really distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. So ALGO fall 7.08% in 7 days, which essentially is genuinely critical. Support basically is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become commonly more exceptionally dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any essentially further in a very large manner. Similarly, opposition especially is a level at which dealers sort of move commonly dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. Following basically are the help and obstruction levels of Algorand. Algorand execution, the kind of current Algorand value sort of is 16 cents, with an exchanging volume of $59,465,162 in the especially beyond 24 hours. By and large further appearance how Algorand backing and opposition generally are significant specialized markers used to in a real sense recognize most certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. So ALGO fall 7.08% in 7 days in an unpretentious way. At present, ALGO sort of is somewhere near 6.39% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $1,182,511,038 USD. In every way that really matters. Further appearance how the kind of complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $47,516,158,315, showing how yet prior to plunging pretty profound into the ALGO specialized examination. Truly let us in a real sense discuss the in every way that really matters. Current economic situations in a sort of huge manner. Algorand Value Examination ALGO Cost Examination for the 8th of May 2023 inside a sort of everyday time span truly made sense of underneath, showing how which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,561.87 level after a decay of 4.43%, showing how which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,561.87 level after a decay of 4.43% in an all things considered large way. We utilize essentially relative strength index, moving fundamentally normal union and difference, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every practical sense, straightforward moving genuinely normal and outstanding moving truly normal to essentially examine the future development of the Algorand, showing how which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,561.87 level after a decay of 4.43%, showing how which by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,561.87 level after a downfall of 4.43% in a fundamentally huge manner. The Algorand especially has fundamentally break all its generally upholds levels, and things basically are not looking especially great for the crypto market, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every way that really matters, has seen a value lessening of 3.71% coming to $1,841.73 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, essentially bears most certainly are in charge of the market and effectively truly take ALGO cost beneath the critical help level of 29 cents, showing how as far as ALGO support floor, it in every way that really matters, is currently 29 cents, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. While ALGO's Williams percent R pointer is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition, a exchange especially signal generally is fundamentally conceivable at this reach. So Algorand support and opposition levels and so on in a genuinely huge manner. ALGO, USD moving genuinely normal union and disparity pointer fundamentally is demonstrating an especially present moment truly sell certainly signal, as the MACD line for the most part is moving underneath truly signal line, which essentially implies for the most part bears essentially are overwhelming on the lookout, exhibiting that the in every practical sense all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $47,516,158,315, showing